Want to make your video look like a real FaceTime, Messenger, WhatsApp, or Zoom call? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a realistic video call effect in CapCut Mobile. Let's get started. Open CapCut Mobile and tap New Project. Select the video that will appear as the main color and tap Add. Once your clip is on the timeline, play it briefly to identify where you want the video call effect to begin. Once it's done, you can trim the length of the video and you can also zoom in. Next, tap Overlay and select Add Overlay. Choose the second video that will represent the other participant in the call. Resize the overlay and position it on the screen, depending on the style you're creating. You can place the videos side by side or make one video smaller. To make the effect more realistic, add a video call interface. Select the effect, then the video effect. Now, find the video call screen. Then drag the effects according to the length of the video. For the final step, play your video from start to finish and make any final adjustments. And that's how you create a realistic video call effect in CapCut Mobile. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more CapCut editing tips. See you in the next tutorial.
Well, congratulations, Cadet.